Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. My name is Tom and today be riding along with me as I drive west on I-80. But first of all, I'd like to tell you how excited I am to share with you these videos from my 2022 trip to Western Nevada and far Eastern California. I hope you guys will enjoy riding along with me. And if you do, I'll always appreciate a like or a comment to encourage me in fulfilling my channel's mission, which is to travel down all the best highways that America has to offer. So in today's part of this trip, we'll continue our westward trek on I-80 to Nevada and California as we make our way over the Missouri River and into the city of Omaha and the state of Nebraska. After driving I-80 through Omaha, we will then follow I-80 as it makes its way over the Platte River on our way to Nebraska state capital of Lincoln, which is where this video will end. This upcoming trip will feature a little bit of everything as we travel to some new and familiar places, like lonely US 50 in Nevada, a scenic byway with an expensive nickname, and of course my favorite states of Utah and Colorado. If you're new here today, I hope this video earns me your subscription so you can join me on my adventures. New videos will be posted here every couple of days, and in between new videos, it would be awesome if you could check out other videos from this or my 3 other 4,000 plus mile Western road trips, so you can compare how these places have changed, or better yet, help plan your adventure out here. Lastly, the video description has a ton of information that will be helpful, like what's upcoming on this trip, my social links, and also ways you can financially support my channel. So I'd encourage you to check it out. Words cannot describe how much I appreciate all the support you guys give me, and every day I look forward to the future and the places we will travel together. Now that that is all taken care of, I'm going to keep driving west on I-80 in the good life state of Nebraska. that's it for this video, and thanks so much for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please help me out by clicking that like button and supporting me with a super thanks comment. And the next video from this amazing trip will continue west on I-80 in the state of Nebraska, so make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.